Today, we are going to introduce a new type of popcorn machine and how to use it. The popcorn machine is mainly composed of a wok, a gas stove, a cooling tray, and a seasoning plate. In the seasoning part, we can make popcorn of various flavors according to customer needs. The pot body is mainly composed of two parts, a wok and a gas stove. This gas stove has the characteristic of fierce firepower and energy saving. The first step is to connect the gas pipe. The gas pipe uses a high-pressure gas valve. When connecting, turn the valve to the left and tighten it. Next is a tutorial for the use of gas stoves. The valve on the right side of the machine is a gas switch, and the valve on the left can control the size of the fire. When igniting, you need to turn on the gas switch on the right and then ignite it with the igniter. Turn the valve on the left side of the machine to adjust the fire to appropriate size. The second step is to prepare the raw materials: corn, anti-caramel, and special corn oil, 500 grams each. First, remove the lid of the pot. You can see that the pot body is composed of a feed pot, a stirring motor, a stirring rod, and a stirring shovel. The red button is the switch of the rotary motor, and the blue one is the speed control switch. The stirring speed becomes faster when rotating clockwise, and the stirring speed becomes slower when rotating counterclockwise. When making, the first step is to pour corn oil. Then, turn on the rotary motor switch and adjust the speed to moderate. Increase the temperature of the oil. You can put 2 coins test oil temperatures first during the mixing process. If blasting, you can put all the coin kernels. Pour in anti-caramel, speed up the machine. Cover the lid to prevent popcorn from splashing. Under normal circumstances, production can be completed in 3 to 4 minutes. Open the lid and watch the production. When finished, turn off the fire and pour out the popcorn. Spread the popcorn evenly and cool it in time to make the popcorn taste crispy. After the cooling is finished, the crispy and delicious popcorn is made. Thank you for your watching. If you are interested in this popcorn machine, please contact us.